What's that?
Let me see.
A box.
Whoa.
That's, oh, yeah.
Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you, Connie, Uncle Billy.
Thanks a lot, boy. I found one. Daddy.
I see it. I found another one over here.
They keep following.
Look, I see both of them.
What is it?
No. Can I pick that?
Oh.
Give it today.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Tell the camera you love it.
Hello. Baby.
Yeah.
Oh.
What does it say? Cannot Daddy help you?
I'm coming out with these.
Let's see what it says. Oh, hold on. Who's that?
What kind of card is that?
A boy, a honey, a baby.
Says love you, see you soon. Love Uncle Billy. Miss you, Aunt Connie.
It's a penny.
Says a special boy like you deserves
Daddy.
the best Easter there could be. Have fun. Uncle Billy said love you, see you soon. Love Uncle Billy. And Connie said miss you. And love from Willie and Tigger.
Let me see.
What do you say, Ashton?
Thank you.
Blow kisses.
Love you.
Blow kisses.
Right here.
Yeah. I found one.
You found one?
Yeah, here.
Wow.
They keep following.
Over here, baby. I found one too.
I found one.
Yeah.
What is that? That's from Aunt Connie and Uncle Billy, buddy.
Yeah, two.
Yeah, we're going to open it and get inside.
Dad.
I found one over here.
Put one there.
I found one already. I got it.
Yeah.
I found one over here too.
Dad, I found one.
Okay, I have it.
Dad,
Whoa! This one's over here.
I found one too. Dad, I found one too.
You found one too?
Yeah.
Maybe by the door?
By the door? Thank you.
You found one?
No.
You see it? It's over here. That one's there. How about any other place on the fence, baby?
You like it? What else you got in there?
Oh, that's cool. Look what we got. Pez. Here, I'll hold this. Look what else is this thing. What's that?
It's a bunny.
Yeah, from Hop. Do you remember the ones that we watch on TV?
Yeah.
Oh, that's I think another character from Hop.
It's bunny.
Oh, he's part of the basket.
Oh,
What else is in the basket? Wow. Look, baby, turn it on. Look at it. That's how you open it.